Home Remedies presents
How to treat type 2 diabetes in just 3 months. Diabetes is a serious, long-lasting condition that 442 million people worldwide deal with every single day. Type 2 diabetes requires attention using holistic strategies to manage or permanently heal the condition. Ayurveda provides a solid framework in treating type 2 diabetes. Curry leaf supports the rebalancing of your body's ability to metabolize sugars effectively. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the simple remedy at home. What you will need: half teaspoon curry leaf powder, a pinch cinnamon powder, a pinch turmeric powder, quarter to half cup warm pre-boiled water. Method: mix all the ingredients in a glass and drink it right away. Take for up to 3 months as prescribed. Prescription: make this recipe 2 times daily, taken 10 to 20 minutes before breakfast and again before dinner on an empty stomach. You will be astonished with the results after 3 months of use.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.